What it do? It's your boy Payroll back with another episode, man. Broke the Billionaire RP, bro. Y'all see what's going on? We right here, PDM, man. Simeon. Definitely gonna get our money up real fast, man. Hey, we went and sold that Ford. We been riding around in this run over here, this Porsche. Simeon just let us ride around in that till he got our charger in from the docks, man. But now we work for Simeon. Feel me? Getting us a little bread in, but it was a fun little ride. You feel me? Only reason he let me drive that mother because it was dent up on the side. Got me working in this paint shop and all type of shit. But I'm just gonna show y'all this charger, the new charger I just got, man. Hopefully we go forges on it. It already got the forger cap on the inside of the wheels. But right now, make sure y'all hit that like, share, subscribe, run them numbers up for me, man. Run them numbers up for your boy, man. Y'all see the charger right here, man. Feel me? Got the gold doors, got the gold 40 sign, got the gold SRT signs and shit, man. All black. I paid Simeon like a 50 ball for it. We definitely went and met the plug, got a re-up. And we put another 50,000 on the little spot over there, man. But we gotta go pick up these cars. We got a repo and we got a paint job, I think, man. New tow truck. Simeon said I gotta do his toes and all that shit, man. Part of my job with the shop right here next door. So let's get to it, man. Make sure y'all get in that comment section, man. Let your boy know what y'all want to see, man. Like I said, this broke the Billionaire RP. We on the come up. You feel me? But your boy want a a track hawk, man. Got the charger. And we need a pickup truck, man. So we're gonna go check that out too. See how that right there go. I believe we're gonna pick up a pickup truck. If this one nice, I might offer Simeon a good little deal on it if we can find it. I think it's on one of these streets. Let's see on one of these driveways. That one right there. On his ass. Hope my boy at work they ain't gotta shoot this fire, man, about this truck, man. I promise you. Cause I definitely will do it. But I got the keys to do it though, so I ain't tripping off of it. We gonna use the tow hitch on here anyways. See if I lined it up right now. Gotta get on in there, y'all. This right here, a repo job. Definitely finna get to it. Let's get out and get it done, man. See your boy head to drip, head to toe, man, but it don't matter. I gotta start taking my rings off. I ain't really too much tripping off of it. Doing these repos, man. Feel me? Get to the side of the truck real fast. Go ahead and pull this up right here. Hey, Simeon get a good off on this right here, bro. It's up. It's going over with. This mine. Feel me? This right here gonna be mine. If you give me a good offer on it. Trailer acting up, y'all. Yeah, the trailer acting up. There you go. I'm gonna drop this off, man, for the man to pull up and try to shoot at us about this truck, man. Y'all see, man. Simeon get a good off on this right here, man. This is ours. We snatching this, dog. We gonna snatch them up all the way up, man. Like I said, we're gonna be working at the paint shop. We got a paint job we gotta go do. We gotta go pick up the car first though, and then we're gonna take it to the paint shop right next door, man, and get everything done. And that's gonna be a quick little paint job, real fast. Ain't really too much tripping off that. Like I said, Simeon, that's a good little deal on this right here, boy. We in the game. Damn, I gotta be in here to let this motherfucker down. Fuck it. Guess that's a safety hazard thing, I guess, going on with that. We're gonna drop this out, but we definitely gonna talk to him about getting it. I believe I detached it, right? Let's see, I think I got the keys to it, yeah. Gonna get this one down, man, real fast. The double jam on that side. Yeah, we're gonna definitely go talk to Simeon about that. He got the spare key on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up this other pickup, man. Definitely gonna get us some trapping in today, man. Tell you, man, these safety hazards on these trucks, man, with these brakes, it's killing me, dog. Some more gas. So that was a $1,200 pickup right there, y'all. Now we're finna go do this paint job pickup right here, man. Come on, man, get out the way, man. Like I said, we working for Simeon, so we're gonna get the job done. It's just gonna be one of our side gigs. We won't get caught up in the streets, man. There's plenty of tow trucks out here. Get paid $100 a day anyway, just for clocking in Simeon about an hour. So we definitely doing that. You know, it's on one of these streets, man. Might have to go down the next one. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see in this Broke the Billionaire RP, man, because I'm definitely going to give y'all what y'all want, man. I'm just trying to get the content back up, man. If y'all want to join the server, let me know. Y'all can join. I'm looking for this car real fast, man. Might be on the street right here. I just came up the street. Yeah. Looking for this car. Trying to see where it's at. If we don't find it, it'll be all good. I ain't really too much tripping off of it, but I bet it's on the other street over, man. Oh, no, it ain't right here. that mother down real fast. I'm jumping it right there real fast. Like grab this right here real fast, man. I'm gonna get this car and knock it on out the way for this traffic hit up. Watch out, my boy. Told y'all, man, these niggas be tripping, dog. Promise you.
No way!
Man,
That's your fucked up.
fuck out the way, bro. Alright, bet.
No way!
Fire this bitch up.
What were you doing there?
Hit me in.
Puta! Dios mío!
Fuck on my way, man. Tripping y'all, dog.
Uh-huh.
Lee, man, nigga can't get a break from y'all.
Golly. That's what I get for not
Nigga gotta pull the trailer out like that, man. Car attached, man. Them all just tripping. Oh, let me goddamn put this. File. That probably what it is. Be hungry, all type of shit, man. Winston fucked up on me, man. One time for the DV, y'all. I ain't too much worrying about it. It is what it is. Did the whole thing that messed up on me, y'all. So one time for the good DV. Back to the episode, though, man. Tell Simeon he gonna have to take an L on that paint job, dog.
Oh my God!
What do we got something to drink on us? We got some Powerade. But yeah, man, we definitely gotta get our money up. We're gonna get paid for that repo job. And that paint job here had to just reschedule it and tell them they gotta have it in another spot, man. I ain't really too much worried about them or their car. We definitely gonna, like I said, get up with it. Try to get us some money. Get us something going around this motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? So. But yeah, it's a good offer on that truck, man. We good to go. Like I said, we paid $50,000 on the Charger. Really ain't that bad. When I paid deployed the 100,000, got us another re-up. It was 100 and he wanted 147 for the new re-up, man. So every time you play, you gonna drop one off. And how much dirty money we got right now? We got like 60,000. We've been trapping. Got a couple bricks in our pocket, and we wholesale the bricks too, man. So definitely gonna get that in now. Let me see, can I get me a little runner, man? Fuck that. A little runner from here. Oh, I wonder what it is, what it's gonna be. Trying for they run over here. Swapping our charge out. If we go 40 on our charger or not, we go 40 on it, we ain't gonna swap it out. We just gonna turn it into a race car, man. Now it's two runners out front. Well, that's Simeon and Porsche, and that's a runner right there, that Hellcat. So we ain't really too much tripping, man. Get us some trapping in today, man. Really ain't too much worrying about nothing else. Cutlass is in the paint shop, getting remixed up, so new color on that. I said y'all see that. lock my door behind me because I ain't gonna open up this door, man. It's just somewhere I can hide my bricks at. Somewhere I can, you know what I'm saying, keep myself together. Like I said, I just go get the powder from the plug, man, and just mix up my own bricks, dog. Feel me? Did the spot right here, y'all, man. You feel me? Yes, sir. Make up my bricks right here, man. Feel me? Go crazy for it, man. All type of stuff around here, man. You feel me? Ain't no, feel me? That's what we're gonna be making these bricks at, man. No kizzy. Gonna be trapping up here a little bit too, though. Cause they don't know nothing about that wall, you feel me? So we definitely gonna be doing that too, man. Gonna stay in motherfucking business with Simeon, man. Keep doing the repos. After we do our repo, we coming up here and trap it out at our store, man. We ain't got nothing to worry about. Gonna keep our ATMs full and all that in case a nigga wanna come up here and purchase some bricks. They can go in there, get some money out the ATM and go crazy. In a little while, nigga gonna be mobile, moving them things, you feel me?
Thanks.
Appreciate it. What you need, shawty? Definitely want to get that truck though, y'all. What y'all think, man? Painted the same color as the Charger, the gold and black. I might end up going when the Cutlass get out the paint shop. We got enough money. We send the Charger to go get painted. We're gonna go and order our wheels, bro. We're gonna take that 20,000. Go and order some wheels real fast for it.
That's what's up.
Appreciate it, my boy. We're gonna try to go ahead and get the rest of that money off for the plug, man. So we can go watch that. Get it on out the way. What else, man? We selling crack too now, y'all.
Appreciate it,
We
fam.
ain't bullshit, man. Got all type of drugs, man. And the lean.
Yeah,
Man, we got Walk Keisha over here. Definitely doing everything to get it, you feel me? Maintaining how to wait.
I know you running that shit in there. Good looking out.
Appreciate it, my boy. What to do, Shawty? What you need? Like I said, if y'all want to come check the city out, man, come do some RP with me, man. Y'all just let me know in the comment section, man. Put your tagger name, man, and I'll let you fly on in, man. Cause it's,
Hello?
like I said,
Who the hell is this?
broke to be in RP, man. We got a long way to go, man. Don't think I'm just gonna stop on that Charger in that truck, though. I'm getting me a track house sooner or later. Might give me two. Appreciate it, my boy. Gotta go catch up with my brother Cash, man. That nigga say he got some shit going on his end of the way, so I'm gonna have to tap in on that. If they give me a couple M's, I'd be straight. Definitely go double up on them things, you feel me? I'll probably be like making like 5 bricks or some better.
Fucking
And
fool.
get out the block then, bro. Appreciate it, y'all.
Cool, that's what's up.
Paint a walk. They love that paint a walk, man. Stop playing with the city, man. I got the best in the city right now.
we
Ain't
gonna
nobody
handle
matching
this
it.
thing,
Ain't nobody matching it, dog.
Bottles on one side and bottles on the other. We got parts, they got numbers.
Fuck you. You know where I'm from? You cocksucker! ain't
Appreciate
nothing
it,
but
my
an
boy.
asshole with bumps around it.
I don't keep that file, man. I ain't got time.
Hey, gracias.
Appreciate it, appreciate it.
Hey!
I wonder how many paints we got, man. Paint. Let me put them on up for the carbon. Shot all the bullets out of that thing. What you need, huh?
Alright, thanks.
Appreciate it, my boy. What you need, my boy?
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, my boy. What you need, my boy? Job boy thinking about me working with Simeon though, man. Definitely getting that money off him, bro. $1,200 a day. Then definitely gonna get her down $100 an hour. On top of that, $1,200 just from the repo. Saying what you need, my boy. Then we got us a little store right here too, man. Ain't gonna be no problem. Feel me? Appreciate that, my boy. What you need? Where you at? Who next? What you need, y'all?
What's cracking, fool?
Thanks.
Appreciate it. What you need, my boy?
Good looking.
Appreciate it, appreciate it. We at 80,000 right now, man. I'm trying something to eat drink something real fast. Drink some water, man. We probably gonna have to go get us something real fast, man. Make a couple more jewels real fast. Go get us something to eat. Some Wingstop or something.
Go fuck yourself.
About time. Where you been
Right,
hiding?
shit,
cares
you
about
gonna
you?
home, right, baby?
I got a
Young
post
boss
this
right here.
online.
I'll catch up with y'all later,
Nuts
man.
in your mouth, bitch.
You ain't gotta go get something to eat, dog. Home.
You breaking up.
Drive through this store, man. And I done shot my. Nah, I definitely gotta go get it painted now, bro. I'm gonna go get it filled in, though, y'all, man. Y'all see I put 2 bullet holes, or 3, 4. I done put some bullet holes in my own car, fool. Damn. Definitely gotta go get it fixed now, man. I'm glad I ain't hit through my motor like that, though. Man, they closed today. Damn. What's up with that? Yeah, make it easy the ways to go then, man. open up their drive through while there ain't nobody in here to work. Oh yeah, I'm finna go behind the counter on them real quick. Make it D's, you feel me? Need me a burger. I need about 3 of these. I need me about 3 of these. I ain't even gonna lie. Gotta eat something real fast. Get up out of here, man. Tell my boy later on, hook me up, man. Order the four. Y'all, what runner y'all think we should have then? Hop in the Charger or the Porsche, man? Alright, we might can go take that truck for a test spin, man, for real, cause I still got a key for it, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Get a little test for it, man. We'll take them up on the test spin. Simeon ain't gonna say nothing. I work for the nigga, man. What can he say? I need to go get it washed anyway. It need a wash. He'll be alright. I'm doing employee work. I might get that one, y'all. Big boy. Probably want like 200. 200 got the lift on and all that, man. 200 gonna be dead right. Definitely gonna get us another old school, man. I forgot we gonna get a car wash. Definitely gonna get us another truck though, y'all, man. $160 for a car wash, man. Come on, man. What's up with that? That's crazy. They tax on the first car wash. Them all better be clean when I get up out of here too, boy. On Jesus. I already know you finna put this on the showroom floor, man. But I'm gonna try to probably go ahead and take that. Probably go ahead and, man. Probably give him 20K, man, just to hold it for, man. First down payment, no little payment on it. 20,000 and this hour, which that'll be what, 180,000 if you want 200,000 for it. Gotta go and do that. So we need you right here, y'all. We'll just go ahead and just pay him every month. Tell him to just park the truck. Just put the truck up for cause they right here out. Good little Ford F350, man. With repo. And good little F350 Ford with a repo on them. Come on, man. Go ahead and go ahead. I don't feel like messing with that Charger, man. I'm gonna hop in the Porsche, man. You feel me? I like the red top on this one. I guess brother came and took that dent out of it. I know Simeon gonna be mad at hell about. I believe he finna have some Porsche trucks coming. He finna get some Porsche cars and some. He got a repo on a Porsche SUV type truck, and he finna get some Porsche cars in, man. So. Definitely trying to see what that Porsche truck look like, man. Like I said, I'm gonna talk to him and see if I can put him $20,000 down on that truck. We just pay him monthly. Probably paying like 10,000 a month for just for the go ahead and own it, man. Feel me? Go on, get that on out the way. We go ahead and own that, man. We'll be good. Definitely gotta find us a two-door box Chevy, man. Feel me? Definitely gotta do that. Feel me? Definitely gotta get the plug, get money, man, and get right, man. Cause that's gonna be the motion. Straight motion right now. Like I said, we own the store. We still got the crib. We work for Simeon. So definitely trying to go on here and see what we can do, man. Appreciate it, my boy.
Yo, appreciate that, fam.
Go ahead and fuck around and pop back into the person who got the painter walk. We gotta order some more of them cause they eating them up. Go to Auntie crib on the street to cook up some crap, man. But yeah, I see what's going on, man. We definitely out here getting it, man. We definitely out here getting this money, man. As long as we can pay the plug, we good. Feel me? Sound bread. We got sound bricks right now, and we still, you feel me? Like we eating and we wholesaling, you feel me? Like, come on, man. Definitely getting it in right now, man. Definitely trying to get everything done. That Porsche nasty with that red top, man. What to do, my boy? What you need?
Andre, long time, bro. I'm all good, you know, just keeping my head above water.
You need now. You were broke anyway.
Yo, bitch!
You need now. You were broke, my boy.
Oh, good looking.
What you need, my boy?
Oh!
Appreciate it. He buying the whole salmon. He going to cook up, y'all.
Hello?
I already know what he do every time he come.
Nah, that wasn't me. I ain't got no beef with dude. You tramp, nigga.
Y'all let me know what y'all like about the Broke the Billionaire RP, man, and what I need to
Appreciate it.
add and all that, man. Cause we definitely gonna keep this going, keeping it flowing, man.
Damn, I ain't seen this number in way long.
Feel me? Like I said, we work for Simeon, so we definitely gonna get the
I'm
money
good,
up, man.
holding it down, you know me.
Y'all want RP, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. I'll let y'all fly in. We can do some RP, some content, get y'all some cars. All that. Go to the racetrack, go crazy. Appreciate it, my boy. My boy bought 6 on. Look, we at 90,000, man. Feel me? We at 90,000
You
real
fucker!
quick. Real what you need, my boy.
That's what's up.
Appreciate it, appreciate it. What you need, Shawty?
Hey, what's cracking, homegirl? Dudes in my hood be like 5-year-olds and grown-ass bodies.
What you need, what you need?
You pussy!
You don't need nothing, Shawty. That's the problem.
Jesus! Sherlane, I've decided Los Santos is holding me back. I can't reach my full potential. What about India?
Appreciate it. What you need?
You fucking asshole!
You ain't had that no way, Shawty.
Hey, thanks.
Appreciate it, appreciate it. What you need, my boy? Appreciate it, appreciate it. Y'all let me know in the comment section, should I buy that truck or not, man? Is it a good investment or not, or just keep hustling, get my track hot, man? Cause y'all know if I get the truck, I'm gonna get the trailer, and I'm gonna be going to pick up the paint jobs on that. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna be really too much
Thanks.
worried about that. What you need, my boy? We almost close to 100,000. We gotta get 140,000, 47,000 ish. Go pay the plug, man. But when you really gotta go pay him, go stash that. Cause we still got a lot of work at the crib. But this your boy Payroll. I'm
What up,
out of here
brother?
with another episode, man.